How to buy on Shein without credit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll show you how to make purchases on Shein without using a credit card. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to open the Shein application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Once you're in the home page, tap on the cart option or the bag option from the bottom of the screen. Select the items you want to purchase and then click on Checkout. You will see various payment methods available. You can choose from PayPal, debit card, credit card, buy now, pay later, Google Pay, or Cash App. Just select one of these options except for the credit card option, and then you can go ahead and complete your purchase without a credit card. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can buy on Shein without credit card. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.